Hey there, Cassie here from Elementor. In this tutorial, I'll go over how to design search results. What is a search results page? Actually, it's an archive where your content is cataloged. With Elementor, you can customize your search results layout and design in just a click. Let's set it up. In the dashboard, Elementor, My Templates, Add New. Under Template Type, choose Archive. Name it, and click Create New. This lands you in the Blocks library where you can select a ready-to-use block, or design your own from scratch. Designing it is exactly like designing your archive. By the way, we have a tutorial on the archive. You can find it below in the link in the video description. To preview this archive as a search results page, click the eye icon, click the settings, choose the search results. Enter an example search term to see what the results page looks like, apply and preview it. And what will it look like if there are no results? Don't fret. You can customize your default site message to be displayed to visitors if there are no results. Now to apply the design to your search results page, click Publish, and in the Conditions window, select Search Results. That's it. Design your search results page today, the fun and easy way, the Elementor way. Thanks for watching. For more fun tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel.